and I hope you are enjoying your day. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am at my Michorani farm once again, where I do diverse farming, and today my video is specifically dedicated to chicken farming. I want to take you through my kitchen farming and show you the way I do it and how to do it using locally available material. So come along with me. This is the entire kitchen area, or rather chicken area. I've constructed some rooms where I categorize them based on age and the date of hatchery. So welcome to my chicken farming. Just show them through my chicken. This is my chicken place. You can see in here we have chicken. These are locally bred chicken. I hatch them around and keep them. This is room number 1, where I keep the latest chicks, which are from my incubator, and here they are. I keep improved kienyeji or broiler type of chicken, which do very fast. In a period of 6 months, they are ready to lay eggs. So you can actually show them. Bring the video close for viewers to see. This is the improved kienyeji chicken, and this is a room where I first bring them from the incubator, and then you can see I have locally assembled jiko or stove, charcoal stove, where I warm them. I keep them warm. We buy them locally. This one goes for around Kenya shillings 1,200, and it's for keeping the chicks warm. You can see I have a plastic drinker here, and a feeder and feeders. So with me here is Mr. Mbaluka. Salimia viewers. Mr. Mbaluka is the man in charge of keeping, or rather keeping the chicken. Bwana Mbaluka, hii ni nini?
Hii ni jerrycan ya kuwekea maji.
Oh, this is a locally local innovation, water jerrycan, or rather drinker, for, and I can see they are all over, simply because chicken love a lot of water. They like drinking a lot of water. Na naona kitu ingine hapa umeweka hapa. Hii ni nini?
Hii wakati tumetoa hiyo nini?
Vifaranga.
Hiyo vifaranga kwa nini? Kwa incubator.
Ndio.
Wakati zimekuja zikiwa ndogo,
yes,
baada ya kuichanganya na hizi,
yes,
na ziweka hapa.
Oh. Kwa hivyo hii ni kanyumba yao kadogo.
Hii ni kanyumba yao ndogo.
Yeah, Mr. Mbaluka tells me this device, this thing here, that mesh kind of basket. Hebu weka chini uonyeshe watazamaji. This, he uses this once we have our chick hatched. He brings them here for purposes of basking and for security. He feeds them from there during daytime before he now takes them inside this first hall. I can see locally innovated drinkers, which is it has holes at the bottom for ease of drinking, so you don't need to buy drinkers. You can actually innovate, and this is pure innovation. I like it that way. Haya, twende kwa, na hii nyumba ingine ni ya nini?
Hii nyumba ingine ni ya kuku mbali.
Yes, this is a drinker. As you can see, they are enjoying. I basically keep improved kienyeji or broilers, and I use locally available material for in raising them. So unasema uko na nyumba ingine hapa ya pili.
Kuna nyumba ingine.
Na mbona umeweka hizi makaratasi?
Hizi wakati kunanyesha, sababu mvua inakujanga na upepo.
Yes.
Badala yani inyeshe kuku zangu.
Ndio.
Na ventilate kama na hiyo nini.
Oh, na hii nylon hii.
Hii nylon.
Hii plastic paper. He says this is for purposes of in event of rains or wind. It reduces the wind, a lot of wind from entering the room. Oh, kwa hivyo hii ndio nyumba ya pili ya kuku
Ndio nyumba ya pili.
Wow. Hii ni space kubwa kabisa, nzuri. I can even see you still have the charcoal stoves here for purposes of warming them as they continue growing. Naona hata kuku wenyewe, the chicken is are following us. This is pure improved kienyeji. You can see on the side the ventilation and the light into the room is sufficient. This is what is required while keeping chicken. We use chain link and wire mesh and chicken mesh to make sure that it's hairy and so that they don't get infected through. I mean, the room which is required for keeping chicken is the one which is well ventilated like this one. I can see we have tube light here for electricity at night should you want to check on your chicken and the likes. So tuende hiyo nyumba ingine. This is a feeding tray. Unaweka chakula hapo ndani?
Hapa nafunguanga hivi. Unaona?
Oh, you just slide.
Nasiwekea alafu na
unafunga tena. Na mbona saa hizi there is no food? Chakula hakuna?
Chakula iko lakini tumekula.
Wamekula tayari?
Wamekula tayari.
Unawapatia kiasi gani kwa hiyo tray?
Kwa hii nachotanga hii mkebe ya kilo 2.
Around 2 kgs of chicken mash. Unawawekea asubuhi? And that is all?
Hapana. Nawekea asubuhi alafu saa 8 na siongezea.
Oh, saa 8. Later in the day you add, it tops up some more. Oh, wonderful. Naziona na hizi zina ebushika moja?
Ndio hii.
Hii na uzito ya kilo ngapi?
Hii iko na kilo 1.5 sasa.
Oh, na miezi ngapi?
Hii
kweli ni nzito kweli. Nina miezi ngapi hiyo kuku?
Hii iko na miezi 3 hii.
Miezi 3?
Miezi 3.
Wow. Na ikifikia wakati ya kutaga inapaswa kuwa na miezi ngapi? Miezi 6. Kwa hivyo tunaendelea safari. Na already they are 1.5 kilos.
Si ndio?
Wow. Good work Mbaluka. Haya. Let's move to the other room. Here they are, brown in color, beautiful chicken. Tunaenda, we are heading to the other room. Oh, naona the kukus are here. Sasa hawa ni kuku
still ile kubwa sasa ile zinateka.
Zile sasa, these are the ones which are laying. Mbaluka tells me these are the ones which are laying. And they are now relaxing inside their room. This is now the final room, zile kubwa kabisa
zile kubwa kabisa sasa.
Na nikuulize? I can even see there is one here which is which wants to lay eggs. Na naona umejengea pahali ya kutagia mayai.
Si ndio?
Hizi umejenga na matofali?
Hizi nimejenga na matofali alafu na nini na plaster hapa juu. Ili wakati sinalala hapa.
Ndio.
Alafu wakati zinategea hapa tumbani.
Hapo ndani like this one. Oh.
Wakati nataka kuchukua mayai, mimi nakuja tu naangalia hii nyumba yake kila mahali.
Viewers, as you can see, we use locally available material to make the laying boxes. These are bricks. As you can see, these are bricks. And here they are, which is very economical, really. On one side, I can see 10. I can see some additional around 10. And I can see some many more here. Now, this is it. Making a laying place with locally available material. Hata naona hii, what is this hii umehanga hapa juu?
Hii ni jerrycan bado ya kuwekea.
Ni ya kuwekea chakula.
Kuwekea
chakula.
Oh,
wonderful. Okay, so this is basically how we hang them here, so that it doesn't spill over as they feed, because they feed aggressively, and this is the best way to keep it, and very hygienic equally. You can even see this one, it's already hanging. And basically kwa sasa Bwana Mbaluka tuko na kuku ngapi?
Tuko na kuku 200 na
200. Oh, wonderful. 200 na kwa siku tunachukua mayai kama ngapi? 100 hivi?
Vileti nini? 90.
Mayai ni kama ngapi ile tunaokota kwa siku?
Kama 90 sasa.
Oh, kama 90, 90 eggs per day. Oh, that is good. Lakini zinataka zote, zitage zote. Oh, asante. Viewers, let me take you around. You get to see our chicken as they feed and as they walk freely. They are here drinking from a drinking trough. We basically keep them on, we basically enclose them here, but now that it's rainy season and there are a lot of flies out there, we leave them free range so that they can scratch and look for worms, any kind of insects which are down here. You can see they are relaxing under the shade here, and these are improved kienyeji. Umesema we have around 250? Naona room ingine hapa. Hii room ni ya nini?
Hii room bado ni ya kuku bado.
Ni ya kuku.
Wakati nimetoa hizi zile vifaranga kwa ile kanyumba nimeonyesha.
Yes.
Na unazileta hapa.
Oh, ukitoa vifaranga kwa incubator unazileta hapa.
Naileta hapa.
Alafu unalea,
alafu naitoa.
Alafu unatoa. To that other room out there. Oh, asante. So viewers, if you're interested in keeping chicken, this is how to go about it. It's a simple way of doing it. In this sides of where in your rural home, where space is abundant, and it's rewarding basically, because you have white meat. Chicken provides white meat, which is very proteinous. You have eggs on a daily basis, and thirdly, thirdly I can say it gives you satisfaction, because you are doing something with your rural home and the space which we have in plenty. This is unlike urban area where space is limited. For now, viewers, thank you for watching my clip. Kindly subscribe, keep watching, like and share for more video creation. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Be blessed and thank you.